Hi friends, so you receive your color match in an email. It's going to look similar to this. Everyone's is going to look a little bit different. You're going to look at all of your recommendations there, your extras, and then down at the bottom I will have a few links for you. One is to join my beauty group on Facebook, and the next one is a link to shop the link below. So you're going to click on that. It's going to take you directly to my website. You can create your account first, or you can click on the three lines in the top left and then shop first and then create your account at the end. Either way is up to you. And what you're going to do is every suggestion in your email here. This one has Amber, Aura, Astoria, Rose Gold. You're going to go into your highlight. It tells you exactly what it is. And you're going to go and you're going to add your color. It's add to bag. But you will go through and tap on the different colors until you find yours. And you'll go back and forth from your email to the site. And then when you're ready to check out, you're going to click the shopping bag in the top right-hand corner. You're going to click checkout. And then you will create your account. After you do so, when you go back to checkout, it's most likely going to ask you whether or not there is a party to shop through. It might already be checked for my party. It might be checked for your party if you're a hostess or if you're shopping through a friend's party link. But it's always great to support somebody because then they receive free makeup for it. So if you ever need any more help than that, please let me know. I hope that that's a really easy way to learn how to fill your cart.